everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Makeup by Kenzie here. I am so excited to be doing another hair tutorial. This specifically is on this beach wavy hair, and the secret is it comes after my last hair tutorial, which was my braids. You will not need a hot iron. I specifically am using one just for some flat hair up at the top, just to give it a little volume. I use this bed head little crimper curler that unlocks like this and opens up, and also has a barrel that you could turn around to get larger curls, and the hair goes through just like that. But I use the small one, but you will not need this for your entire head. Thank the Lord, because I have way too much hair to do that. Yes, this is all my hair, my length, everything is mine, and I am super excited to show you guys this because you get two hairstyles in one. Only other thing you will need is some hairspray. I use Tresemme Professionals number 4 extra hold. I got this at just like a local CVS. You guys can get it anywhere you want. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Anything you guys want to see, give it a thumbs up if you guys like it. If you don't like it, then just move along. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Keep watching if you want to see how I achieve this look.
Alright, so let's get started. I'm first going to take my Tresemme hairspray. You guys could use any hairspray you prefer. And I'm going to go ahead and spray that through my braids. This is just something I like to do because when I take out my braids, I want to make sure that there's a firm curl, or wave if you want to call it. Then I simply take out my rubber bands and just undo the braids. When running my fingers through the braids and taking them out, I really try to keep the sections separated. That way the hair doesn't get frizzy or tangled. I'm trying to achieve the least amount of volume just because I have a lot of hair. Then again, I take my Tresemme hairspray and go ahead and spray that through my entire head, just so the waves have a nice hold to them. So as you can tell, there's going to be a flat section on the top of your head, just because we did not braid our hair there. This is where I would like to crimp. So I'm just going to take sections of the hair and use the crimper, and I usually do it for about 7 to 8 seconds per section. And that is it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And you guys can also follow me on Instagram. It's Makeup by Kenzie. I will also have linked down below how to double Dutch braids, which was my previous video. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at.